The 2030 Polestar marks a monumental leap forward in the evolution of electric mobility, representing a bold vision of what sustainable performance luxury should look like by the end of this decade. As a brand born from Scandinavian design philosophy and high-performance electric engineering, Polestar continues to redefine the future of EVs with a focus on clean aesthetics, innovative materials, and pure driving engagement. The 2030 Polestar serves as the ultimate showcase of this philosophy, an all-new flagship EV engineered with next-generation battery technology, ultra-efficient aerodynamics, and a digital-first interior that elevates the driving experience to levels previously unimaginable. In this long-form review, we will explore the 2030 Polestar in detail, covering its car design, exterior styling, interior innovations, comfort levels, performance capability, and a final conclusion that captures the essence of this futuristic model. Starting with the car details, the 2030 Polestar is built on the brand's fourth-generation electric platform, featuring a fully modular structure engineered with recycled carbon fiber composites and ultralight alloys. This not only reduces the vehicle's weight but also improves rigidity and crash safety. The centerpiece of the 2030 Polestar is its advanced graphene-enhanced solid-state battery, offering unprecedented energy density and thermal stability. Range estimates exceed 900 kilometers on a single charge, placing the Polestar well ahead of most EVs on the market. Fast charging has also improved dramatically, with the ability to replenish 70% of the battery in less than 10 minutes using ultra-high-voltage charging architecture. The car is offered in both dual-motor and tri-motor configurations, producing between 600 and 950 horsepower. This car isn't just a technological achievement, it's a glimpse into what premium EV engineering will become as we approach the next decade. Moving to the exterior, the 2030 Polestar embraces minimalism with sharp Scandinavian precision. The design language focuses on aerodynamic efficiency, resulting in a sleek, flowing silhouette that blends form and function seamlessly. The front fascia removes the traditional grille entirely and replaces it with a sensor-integrated smart zone, housing LiDAR, radar, and adaptive cameras. Ultra-thin LED headlights frame the front, creating a futuristic light signature that stands out both day and night. The body surfaces are smooth, clean, and sculpted in a way that enhances air distribution, reducing drag drastically. Polestar has utilized active aero components like vented channels, adjustable shutters, and a rear adaptive spoiler that changes shape based on speed. The side profile is enhanced by flush door handles, aero-optimized wheels, and a floating roof design that gives the car a futuristic identity. The rear of the vehicle features Polestar's iconic full-width LED light bar, redesigned to include micropixel animations that communicate braking intensity, battery levels, and safety alerts to surrounding vehicles. The 2030 Polestar stands as a piece of moving modern art, clean, bold, and unmistakably Scandinavian. Stepping inside the 2030 Polestar reveals an interior that blends sustainability with digital sophistication and a calm, meditative ambience. The cabin layout follows Polestar's soft minimalism philosophy, which focuses on clean lines, clutter-free surfaces, and intuitive controls. A large panoramic display spans across the dashboard, providing real-time navigation, performance metrics, and a fully adaptive interface powered by Polestar's next-generation operating system. The steering wheel houses haptic-powered controls that respond to subtle finger movements rather than physical buttons. The seats are crafted from plant-based woven fibers, recycled composites, and eco-friendly vegan leather alternatives. Polestar has introduced a bioengineered ventilation system that purifies the air using natural carbon filters, keeping the cabin fresh even in dense urban environments. Ambient lighting adjusts automatically to the time of day, creating a soft, relaxing environment. The attention to detail is remarkable, every surface feels high quality, every control responds smoothly, and every element contributes to a cabin experience designed to soothe and inspire. Comfort has always been a strength for Polestar, and the 2030 model elevates that experience to new heights. The seating position is adjustable through AI assistance, automatically adapting to the driver's posture and pressure points. The cabin is eerily quiet thanks to improved sound isolation materials, laminated glass panels, and Polestar's new active noise cancellation system that counterbalances road and wind noise with precision-tuned audio waves. The suspension system incorporates adaptive air dampers that read road conditions 200 times per second, adjusting stiffness to maintain optimal ride comfort. Rear passengers enjoy a lounge-like experience with reclining seats, heating and cooling options, and independent climate zones. The cabin lighting can simulate sunrise and sunset to reduce fatigue during long journeys. Polestar's digital assistant learns user preferences, temperature, seating, audio habits, and driving styles, creating a personalized environment every time you drive. Whether on a long road trip or a brief city commute, the 2030 Polestar provides a cocoon of peace, comfort, and seamless luxury. Performance, however, is where the 2030 Polestar truly breaks boundaries. The dual-motor variant already delivers impressive power and instant torque, while the tri-motor version pushes the limits of what an electric Grand Tourer can achieve. Acceleration figures hover around 2.2 to 2.5 seconds for 0 to 100 km per hour, depending on configuration. The electric motors use next-generation magnetic flux optimization, allowing for smoother torque delivery, higher efficiency, and better thermal management during extended driving sessions. The smart torque vectoring system adjusts power distribution between wheels, resulting in pinpoint handling precision. With the battery pack mounted low, the center of gravity is remarkably stable, enabling the Polestar to carve corners with sports car-level agility. Regenerative braking has been refined to feel natural while maximizing energy recovery. The chassis combines lightweight carbon fiber with a reinforced aluminum skeleton, giving the car incredible rigidity during high-speed maneuvers. Multiple driving modes, from eco to performance to track mode, allow the driver to tailor the experience exactly as desired. It's not just fast, it's balanced, controlled, and exhilarating. Bringing everything together, the 2030 Polestar represents the pinnacle of Scandinavian electric innovation. It blends futuristic technology, breathtaking design, superior comfort, and world-class performance into a single, cohesive package. Whether viewed as a luxury cruiser, a high-performance machine, or a technological masterpiece, the 2030 Polestar delivers on every front. This vehicle symbolizes Polestar's long-term vision of creating EVs that are powerful yet responsible, futuristic yet human-centered, luxurious yet eco-conscious. It's a car built not only for today's driver but for the next generation of automotive enthusiasts who demand innovation, sustainability, and emotional connection. The 2030 Polestar isn't just a car, it's a powerful statement about the future of mobility.